Hey guys, Grover Planet Green Zen, and thank you guys for coming to this channel. So today's topic is on how to tap into your intuition. But before we do that, if you guys have never been to the channel, what I tend to do here is just inspire the world in 5 areas of life, and those areas are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of those areas, we literally can live in world peace together and abolish slavery, hunger, famine, disease, take war, and just eliminate that completely because there's no reason for it. We can live in harmony together, enjoy all the foods and cultures and languages and scenery and everything around the world together. So if you guys believe in that same message, go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can know when new videos are released, and again, share these messages out with people that you know who needs to hear these. Again, think about each one, teach one. If you pass this to one person that it helps and inspires them, and they can do it, and they can do it, and you can start making your own videos and actually help inspire people as well. Also, please comment below and let me know your thoughts or suggestions, or what you do to actually help tap into your intuition, or whatever the topics are that I'm covering, okay? Alrighty, so let's get started, guys. So again, how to tap into your intuition. So again, what you want to do, again, I believe when you meditate, that actually is helping you channel your frequency and vibration to the universe, and then you're receiving that intellect and that level that you need to actually tap into your intuition. Again, you want to be silent, get all the chatter out of your mind, out of your heads. Again, put all of your social media and devices away, another room, turn them off. But again, in order to tap into that, you need to have a clear mind and be able to focus on that. Again, you want to be silent. You don't want to speak yourself. You don't want people speaking around you or noisy environment. You want to get somewhere where you could just be quiet and just concentrate on that silence and balance yourself. Also, you want to be very cautious of who you are hanging around, because that can affect you being able to tap into your intuition. Because again, if you're hanging around negative people, that will affect you. Then you would have an off balance and imbalance, and your chemicals will not allow you to tap into your intuition, because you would be actually you wouldn't be able to focus or think properly. So you want to be, again, aware of the type of people you're hanging around. If you need to change your association, do so. Again, you don't have to necessarily leave people that's in the other circle, or if they're your friends, but to let them know you be around less and less. You have other things to do. But I mean, you still see them here and there, but again, you got to do what you need to do to get to where you need to be in life. So again, silent place, meditate, clear your mind, positive energy, hang around positive people, and just start to even ask yourself internal questions. It's always good to actually ask yourself questions. People think it's bad because you're crazy, you're talking to yourself, but no. When you talk to yourself, ask questions, actually getting your subconscious mind to reprogram itself, your paradigm, your mind to work together and go out to the universe and search for those answers. So ask yourself deep questions. Again, repeat those all the time, and not just ask, but figure out how to channel to that energy that's leading you to the answers. Like, how can I get more income so I can, instead of decreasing my lifestyle to fit inside of my paycheck, how can I increase my income to fit my lifestyle, versus giving up on your life just to exchange it for a W-2 when you live in this little circle. Something that's powerful. I want you guys to think about that. So when you tap to your subconscious, again, you don't worry about the what or how, because that comes to you naturally. Say, well, I want to do this, but I have no idea how. Don't worry about the how. Don't dwell on that. Don't focus on that. Just know you will do something, and you will accomplish it, and tell yourself that every day. And again, that's another way you could tap to your intuition, in your subconscious mind, and your paradigm, to actually start to get that to react in a way to get you what you need and what you want. So again, focus, go in a silent room, quietness, meditate in a sense, and help tap to your intuition, because it'll allow you to start to know what to do, where to go, who to meet. You'll attract yourself to those people by increasing that vibration. Okay? Drink some herbal tea, eat healthy organic food, so your body and mind is good for strength, and you can absorb nutrients needed and release the energy you need as well, that's stored up inside of you. So again, very simple video, guys. So let me know your thoughts on this video. Also, if you guys need help with manifesting greatness and having the right mindset to do so, click on the links in the description, enter your email address, watch the videos, it leads to massive discounts. Let me know what you guys think about that, okay? And I want to leave you guys with a quote for today. So today's quote is from H. Jackson Brown Jr. H. Jackson Brown Jr. Can you say that 5 times fast? H. Jackson Brown Jr. Sounds a little tongue-tied here. But anyway, so what H. Jackson Brown Jr. said, "Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you are meant to do. Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart that you were meant to do. So what does that mean to you guys? What that means to me is, again, we all get programmed to live this mundane life. A lot of us, even over here, we have that feeling inside of us, again, beyond deeper than the subconscious. It's a level deeper than that, to where that's your trueness, what you need to do. But we get these programs that suppress that, like bricks being laid on top of each other. Our trueness is here. Think about this is the bottom of like your subconscious, like the inner subconscious. Then you have your regular subconscious and your mind. So your inner one is the one that's trying to come out and release all the energy and all the talents and everything you have to accomplish greatness. But then we build these blocks and overlay with our paradigm and everything, where it's blocking that inner subconscious from releasing itself, and it's getting heavier and heavier. So that block is getting lower and lower until you kind of suppress it until it doesn't exist anymore. But that's what I believe that means, is when you have that feeling that's deep, even though it's deep in there, you can still feel it. Don't let that die out. Just release it, because you're meant to do greatness, and you know what you're meant to do, because you wouldn't have the thoughts. If it wasn't possible, you wouldn't think about it. Even if it seems impossible right now, just never let that flame die out. Fuel it with your desire and your passion. Know your why. Have that clear, sharp focus, and you will accomplish it, and it will resurface and start to break those brick layers. Start to get higher, higher, like a glass filled with water. Then boom, and now you're exuding and accomplishing what you need to. Okay, so that's what I'm leaving for you guys with today. So Greg with Planet Green Zen, and you guys have a great day.